Hello everybody, today we'll learn what is try and accept in Python. It is simple, so let me give you a hint before you start typing your text. Okay, so for example, you created a file and you give this file to a person to use it. For example, there is something wrong in this file, there is an issue. For example, this file will print his own error. He will print his own error in his way. But you want to change this. What what he will type for the error? You want to delete the normal error and replace it with another one, so the user can understand how to solve it. So let's create a new file and let's name it by try and accept .py. Okay, for example here let's make let's make a divide, for example, and this divide, it's a variable, so this divide is 10 divided by 0. Of course, everyone, you know that we can't divide by 0. So for example, if we here said print for me the divide, it will not work properly. Why? Because we can't divide by 0. All of you knows that we can't divide by 0, so it will give you an error. See here, it will give you an error, division by 0. It can't, 0 division error. You can't divide by 0, as all you know. So how to fix this problem? If you give this file to someone else and it doesn't work properly, so what we will do? So here we will go to the first line at the start and put a new line, and here we'll type try, like in this way. So here we'll put try and colon, and here we need to put it in here, so we will delete this one and type it here again in this way. So here like this, and we'll here put divide equals to, I'm not sure if it's same, so here divide equals to 10, for example, divided by 0, or let's say 12 divided by 0. Okay, and then here we'll print what, we'll put the before code and we'll type divide and divide. Okay, if now we'll try this, we'll try these two lines of code, and now let's put the accept. So this accept of, if something had wrong, is there's an issue, do these steps. So I'll tell the user print, you can't divide by 0, as you know, for example, as you know in math, for example. So if there's an issue, it will print this in math. Okay, so, and here, for example, let's say print done, for example. Okay, and we will run it. Of course, you can divide 12 by 0. You can't divide any number by 0, so it will go to accept and print. You can't here divide. Sorry, I forgot to type here divide. Sorry, I forgot, so I'll put here divide, as you know in math. Okay, so if there is an issue in this 3 lines, it will go to accept and do its steps. So when the user there is an error, the user can understand what to do. Do this so it will work properly. Fix and do this so it will be like this, and do this and this and this and this. So and also you can't only use it in dividing by 0. Also you can change here. So for example, let's say for example, let's say value. So he will enter a value, and here this it will be an input, and it will be an integer, not it will be an integer. Okay, so here will means it's numbers, so we'll put, for example, this input will be an integer, so we'll put here type input and then a new parenthesis and then quotation mark, and for example enter. So here we'll type enter a number. Okay, and for example here, if it works properly, print for example the value for me, because the value it is working successfully, and then print for example done. Okay, and here let's edit this except, and let's say this input supports only numbers, not text. So please enter a number. Enter a number. Okay, so if there's an error, it will print this. So if I run, and it will tell me what enter a number. For example, I will enter, for example, my name Omar. It's what, and here it will be an integer, so it must be a number, not text. So for example, if I enter my name Omar, it will give you the error except this input supports numbers, not text. So please enter a number. So if we run it again one more time like this, and here we'll put the number, for example 5784, and it will print the value, and then it will say done. So I hope that you had understood. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment and share, and goodbye.